Let me tell you something that most people don't want to hear. The school system is not broken, but it works exactly the way it was designed to keep you broke, obedient, and dependent. But today I want to share with you the things that the school system is never going to teach you, that it never teaches, and how you can use your phone and knowledge to create income. Even if you don't have any skills, even if you didn't finish your school, even if you don't have a degree or a certificate in any skills, because what you know and your phone are money machines, even if you didn't finish school. But before that, I want to tell you a quick story about myself. I don't come from a rich family. I didn't have rich parents or big connections. All I had was a phone and a hunger to change my life. So because of that, I started teaching what I know. And that is how I made my first $100 online in just 3 days by teaching what I know to people who needed to hear what I was teaching. Here's the real myth that I want to break open. The school system doesn't prepare you for making money in the real world. It prepares you for a system to memorize things, to obey, to graduate, and then later on to beg for a job from some guy somewhere. Here's what the school doesn't teach you: how to sell, how to build a brand, how to turn your skills into digital products, how to use your phone as a money machine. All these skills, all these topics, you never hear them in school. The school doesn't teach you that because it doesn't have time for such things. And these are the things that you find out here in society. These are the things that matter. Selling, digital products, branding, those are the things that matter, and those are the things you must be learning even in school. If you don't learn these things in school, which is not surprising because it was not designed in such a way, don't get surprised. And that's why I teach my students a different method. Here is what I teach my students instead. Step 1, I teach my students to pick one skill they know very well. That can be cooking, that can be dancing, that can be singing, that can be baking, that can be writing, that can be anything. What are you good in? What do people come to you and ask you of help for? It can be talking, organizing, or just anything. Step number 2, package it into a simple digital format. It can be a video, a voice note, or a PDF, or a class on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or on YouTube. Step number 3, use WhatsApp, X, or YouTube to find people who need that solution from you. Step number 4 is to give free value. Don't be like, oh, how can I give free value? No, just give it as a free value. That is going to build trust and faith, and people will understand the value you bring to the table. Because when you give it for free for the first time, people will know you that that's what you do, and then they'll be able to trust you. And then when you introduce a paid version of a different maybe upgrade, they will be able to pay you because they are able to see what you can do. They understand your value. They now know you and they trust you. And that's how people can start now buying from you, and that's how money comes to you, because now you've become a person of value who adds value to people's lives. That's what matters. In step number 5, repeat, grow, then scale. Very simple, no complicated stuff, just a system that works all the time. That's how I turned my free WhatsApp class into a paid offer. And I made real money online without a degree or a certificate or a website. Just using WhatsApp, I was able to make $100 in 3 days, which was a very big thing to me because at the time I never used to make any money. I never believed or thought that it would be possible for me to make such kinds of amount of money from the internet. So it was a game changer. Now, if I was able to do it, you can too. If you're still waiting for school to give you freedom, you wait forever. The truth is the real world rewards action, not certificates or degrees or fancy things like websites or technology like computers. No, your smartphone and your brain are money machines. What I say to you is you don't need more school, you need more skills. And the best part, you already have something valuable. Maybe you just don't know it yet, but all of us are good at something. All of us have something that we can offer the world. You have something that you can bring to the table, and people are willing to pay you money for that. That is the best part. And now all you have to learn is how to package it, and how to price it, and how to profit from it. If you want me to help you turn your phone into a money-making machine step by step, you have to subscribe to this channel because this is what we talk about on a daily basis. And if you have any questions concerning any of the things that I've just talked about in here, if you want to add, you can just drop your comments down in the comments. If you have any questions, I'll respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.